Well, if you are watching this video, you are probably thinking of becoming a front-end developer, or you are already in the path and you don't know if you are doing the right one or you are on the wrong path. Well, don't need to worry, because in this video, that's exactly what I'm about to tell you: the path to become a successful front-end web developer. So without much further ado, let's go. And be sure to stick to the end, because there is a bonus tip that I'll be sharing for you. Well, hello world, my name is Johnny and I am a full stack web developer, and this is my channel. And on this channel we talk everything about coding and programming and the process to get into your programming dream or language and job that you want to do. So if you wish to know more about programming and coding as a whole, be sure to subscribe and stay in tune. So let's get straight to the video. Being a front-end web developer isn't that much of a big deal, although it is, but you have one major rule, that is to create and design the front end of a website. That is what the client sees, the client side of the website. So assuming you hit on Facebook, what you see visually, the UI and UX, if I may say, is what the front-end developer is capable of doing and assigned to do. So what are you actually to learn to get to that part? To learn to be a front-end developer, you need two main languages to learn, although they are not languages as a whole, but you need to know it, and that is HTML and CSS. You need to know these markups and styling very well. HTML is responsible for creating the web pages, that is the layout, the whole skeleton of the website, and CSS is responsible for styling the skeleton, that is giving it a skin. So that is a basic website. So you can use CSS and HTML to create a basic static website, but in order to make it interesting and interactive to the user, that is adding some functionalities like the button clicks and others, you need to learn JavaScript. So in the whole, you just need HTML, CSS and JavaScript to create a fully functional website. But saying fully functional, I mean just the front end, nothing to the back end. So after getting a very great knowledge about HTML and CSS and JavaScript, you need to learn JavaScript very well, because building websites with HTML, CSS and JavaScript is cool, but it's not really recommended by companies and job seekers. So if you really want to work in a company or really want to polish up your front-end skill, you need one more thing to be on top, that is a JavaScript framework for creating the front end. And there are three popular ones, that is React, Angular and Vue. I personally choose React because it is rising very fast, and don't get me wrong that the others are not good. They are very good. In fact, they are very good competitors to React, and everybody has a choice. So I personally choose React because most companies are demanding React and it is rising up very fast. And for another reason is, with React you can create mobile apps if you learn React Native. So I can shape to be an app developer, a native app developer very quickly. That's why I choose React. But not to get me wrong, the others are not bad, they are very good, they are very great. So you can go for Angular or Vue or choose React also. So you need to learn a JavaScript framework after knowing HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Besides, when I started using React, I don't remember the last time I ever used HTML and CSS again, because I create everything using JavaScript and it's very cool. So basically this is what you need to become a front-end developer. You just need HTML, CSS, JavaScript and a JavaScript framework. This is how I did the exact process I took to become a full stack developer. That is, I learned the front end and the back end. For the back end, I'll talk about it in later video. So a bonus tip: if you are creating a portfolio and you want to stand out, you should really learn to use an API, that is application programming interface. I'll explain more and put the link in the description so you can check out. So you should subscribe and always check out if I have posted about API. And just a brief about APIs. They're a way that you communicate with the backend. So using an online API, you don't really need to know more about the backend, but you can make a real-time application that is maybe a news app or a communication app, a chat app, without making a backend as a full. So this will really make you stand out when you are presenting your work to others for work or maybe a resume or something. So a bonus tip, you should learn API if you want to stand out as a front-end developer. Once again, my name is Johnny, and hello world, I'm out.